Hello, today I will make a small bird. For this, I will use all their color. Now we are using watercolor will be used first by using brown color, blue color, green color. This you will make a cute little bird. It will be made very easily. It is very simple painting, so let's start making it. First, I have sketched a bird with the help of a pencil and then with the sheet with water. For this, I have used a watercolor sheet. After that, brown color will be applied on his belly. After that, add blue color to the upper wings. Mix the blue color well in the wings till the bottom and then give the lower wings a good wings shape. The blue color in the wing will be also be done in this way. In three steps, his head will also colored blue. After that, reshape the bird's wings with dark blue color to make the wings look good. Now we will do the color on what is left. We will also do it on the head of the bird. Before the blue color, we will give a light touch of color. Then later, we will give a dark shade with the same color, something like this. I will use dark blue color on the wings and also on the heads. Doing it this way made it look very cute. So the dark color is now done on the bird's wings and head. Now we will make its feet. After that, the legs of bird will be made with black color. Then we will make the branch. To make the branch, we will use brown color to make this bird. All the colors are watercolor. All the branches will be made, then the leaves will be made on it. The leaves are made small with green color. To make the leaves, we have used light green color to make small leaves on the branches that look like grapes. I have used a little water on the first sheet to spread it well and also absorb it so that we will give a light layer of the color we are using. Then we will use a dark color from the same color on it. After that, we will make his beak with black color and then finally we will make his eyes with black color. This little cute bird is complete. I hope you guys will like it and you will make it easily. Thank you.